So the thing is, I did some quick research right yesterday. We're using what ChatGPT for the proof or for any information which you might want, right, to have the same chart. I can say share it with you. So there's ChatGPT, right, and currently I'm still okay, seems like my model ran out because seems like what the premium package which I paid for ran out, and it is when everything is about to end when you realize the importance of it. So yeah, this is the conversation which I had with the ChatGPT version 4, right? And it seems like I was searching about WordPress development, right? The thing is, you always hear about full stack website developer, full stack front-end website developer, back-end website developer, right? But I never had such keywords or some combination of words. Maybe because I didn't search a lot. I never had like what can I say? Okay, the thing is, I never had this kind of like keywords, right, being said, like WordPress website development and design roadmap. So this is something which I did, right, ask about ChatGPT, and seems like one has to learn what the basics of what HTML and CSS, understand the structure and style of web pages, right? Yeah, I think I know how to do this, but it's out of lack of practice that makes me not be comprehensive. Then learn how to install WordPress locally. I know how to, but using kind of like what do I call this software, Vietnam, which was rolled out. But there is another option which needs you to run using a virtual machine, so I have to learn this. But then there is also what WordPress dashboard familiarity. I know how to post, how to make pages, themes, and plugins. If any of you guys don't know how to do this, you can search on the YouTube or even comment in the description that you need some content, on these topics. So understand the user experience, UX, and okay. Then after checking this, all of the list goes on, right? Custom plugin development. This is something which I would love to try to do, to actually create my own plugin. But well, now we're going to the resources, right? These are the resources where someone can learn what HTML and CSS, and these are the documents which you have to be reading, and the learning of PHP, which I never learned. And these are all the documents which is and also the WordPress codex. But then I can skip to a content where I have to learn about UX and UI, user interface principles. I think we've got all these kind of like resources, which is something which is the one which I might be looking forward, because it just plays around graphic design and know how things can appear on the screen in a smart way. Yeah, because now it's all about the profession. So there's graphic design, right? These are the platform, I think, where you can find information, but maybe learn. So with that being said, there's a lot of here which I'm going to share the documents in the description. But I decided to just make the document right in the PDF. Then I'm going to share it in the description. You will just be able to click and go to the resources. But then there's something which I've realized, right? I've purchased a course from Angela Yu, right? And it seems like it covers most of the things which I really need about web development. But it starts from the basic, but I really need to, so that I have the certificate and all. So with that being said, right, as you can see, the structure of the course, right, you promise the front end development, HTML and CSS, advanced HTML, Flexbox. This is something which will be needed in WordPress, because if you learn this, right, you'll be able to structure your website in a proper way, of which there's something which I'm wanting to be more familiar with. So Unix, this is not Node.js. These are the things which you must be learned, Git and everything. Okay, there's no PHP in here, right? As I can see, there is no PHP. Okay, and most of the things here would work in a WordPress when you need to edit and make custom designs. But for now, I'll be rolling with this, right? But then there's a thing which they mentioned about PHP. Now I have to look for a place where to learn PHP. So it seems like this is the right web page to learn about PHP from the actual PHP manual. So I'm going to pin this so that I have it. I'm going to pin this again so that I have it. And what else? Okay, this one I won't be doing right now because I got signed up for Code Academy, right? The course which I tried before but never finished. So let me see if I have still the account. Is it Code Academy? I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Oh, it's free code game. I meant free code. These are the resources which I'm laying out, right? Which you can use. So for me now, I'll be rolling with the Angela You complete 2023 web development bootcamp, which I need to complete in this year by the end of this year, although it's October. Okay, so this is the other one which you can use to learn anything about web development, of which for me I'm going to be okay. Which one is the account which I signed up with? Let me see. Continue. Let's see if it is the one. Okay, seems like I need to enter the verification code sent to me. Okay, is the Mbonisi here? Oh yeah, there is my code. Okay, let's see. So it's come on. Okay, there's a space here. So these are the sources which I'll be using, right, until I understand most of the things about web development. But I'm also going to search on YouTube so that I can learn. And for WordPress, I need to be reading this. I hate reading, but it's a must now because I really need to master so that I can produce good content. So well guys, this is it for now. If you want, you'll be able to check out this course. Yeah, I haven't yet completed, but I'm still going through the process. Yeah, so yeah, just want to share the journey towards what can I say, the journey towards learning the journey towards learning WordPress development from A to Z until mastery. So I'll be just sharing everything on this website, on this YouTube channel, and let's see how it goes. Cheers, bye for now.